Free walking tour today on our agenda. Breakfast. Breakfast. Yes, breakfast. My breakfast. Second breakfast for me.
We saw just now in the market village, they are like second-hand shops. And for your mouth, you don't need to drink the water. You can just touch your lip. Before you put it in the bag, also rinse it. Gonna try feel free to. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So if you're also have a tiny pain or want to take a waste, you can follow me.
Never end up here. We would have. Not you, the fish. Not you, the fish.
You guys want to try?
No,
All you.
that's all you.
Sour, sweet and sour.
real food.
One or two. What is fine? What is that one you pay 200 something?
Nice. I like it like this. Oh, that's a good one. I think.
Oh, what are those? Not really.
Like that?
Yeah.
Where's
That
mine?
one.
More than you want? Or something male? Or no, maybe that's the
So what was this?
You want a chicken, right?
Try that one.
Is that what you're
What is the amount of people that comes to here?
Oh, no. And or being big and then
Dinner in Osaka. I started with gyudon, I'll end with gyudon.
Yeah.
I ate gyudon. No, Been long days. 20,000 steps.
all the time.
All the time, all day, every day. Let's eat.
I'll be upset.
Last dinner in Osaka.
Kumbangwa.
After the 5 hours walk of finding it.
Trying to find shabu shabu. Shabu. It was a ghost.
Oh,
It melts
It
in
melts in your
your
mouth.
mouth.
Does it
Melts in
though?
your mouth.
Salty, this one. I'm glad I didn't put any sauce.
oh yeah.
It's creamy, guys. There was what?
This is a fast